Gonna have should have got a big unsweet tea with this. Big fat fuck, order a big fat fuck meal with an unsweet tea. Watching my figure. This is gonna be messy as shit. Oh, we got a fork. I'll take that napkin too. I'm gonna definitely need that. Oh. Little motorcycle here riding around with this kid on back. The line is just getting longer. The line's gonna be in front of my car. No, I better hurry up and dig in. I don't know where to start, guys. We're gonna go with the regular 3x3 first. I'm gonna have to really, I'm going for it this time. Fucking beast. This wasn't a good spot. Oh, it's coming out the back end. That's what she said.